Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up lower yesterday, and they're lower to get the day started so far this morning. Not much new news to report on right now. Things remain the same as they were yesterday. The weather outlook is great. I'm not sure if you can see behind me. The weather out here in Chicago is perfect. Everything's supposed to be 75 and sunny today. Much of the Midwest and down in the South is expected to have nearly ideal weather as well, so that's obviously going to ease and move the harvest progress forward. It's also going to dry out some grain as well. That way it can move towards being able to be harvested. So that's not much of a weather concern right now throughout the Midwest and down south, and into the plains even as well. As far as harvest yield reports go, still continue to impress. It's something that you think might run out of steam every now and then, get a day of some bad reports and whatnot. Simply not happening yet. This doesn't mean that it can't happen, but as of right now, it's not happening. The yields continue to impress, whether they're coming from the south, whether they're coming from the lower Midwest, whether they're coming from the central Midwest. Huge yields, beating producer expectations. So as long as that continues to happen, we'll likely have intros similar to today's with lower yesterday and lower today. So, of course, that can change, and if it does, we'll let you know. But other than that, not much to report on. That's all we've got for today. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.